This video is about the water transport system in plants. The first step in water transport in plants is that the water is absorbed by the root hairs of the plant, and the water goes through the epidermis, then into the cortex, then into the endodermis, then into the vascular cylinder. And there are three pathways that the water can take to get through each of these things. They're the apoplastic pathway, which can be seen in this picture, which is when water never enters the protoplasts of the cells. It goes around the cells. And another pathway is the symplastic pathway, which is where the water moves from protoplast to protoplast through the cells. And then the last way is called transcellular, and this occurs when the water moves through cells across plasma membranes and tonoplasts. So after this happens, then water is pulled through the vascular tissue due to tension. So this would be the xylem, and it then after it's pulled upwards, it enters into the mesophyll, moves into it from the xylem, and then it becomes water vapor. And right after this, transpiration occurs, which is where the water evaporates through the pores in the leaves. And these pores are called stomata, and their shape is really important because they're porous, they're able to facilitate gas exchange in plants, and they allow water vapor to diffuse through them. So this is how water gets from the root hairs of a plant all the way up through the plant, out the leaves, and into the atmosphere. So the cohesion tension theory is basically just that water is pulled through the xylem as a result of transpiration and the fact that water bonds to itself, or cohesion. So hydrogen bonding facilitates the cohesion that occurs in plants, which enables the water to be pulled up through the plant. So as transpiration happens and water evaporates from the leaves, then the water that's in the xylem can be pulled up into the mesophyll, and then it evaporates and is released.